Welcome to Squadra Lupo. We are a dealership of classic cars and rare cars. Over here, we don't do restoration, we do preservation. In Squadra Lupo, we are specialists in preserving the history. That's why it's so important for us to maintain the originality of the car, also the smell, the patina, and even the little dirt that have the chassis. Remember that in Squadra Lupo, we drive our cars, not just to maintain the perfect shape of the functional, also because they have to be alive. They have to keep writing history. Remember, with this kind of cars are great to drive, but also great investment. I welcome you to Squadra Lupo to visit us, to just feel the passion, the smell of what we do over here, to feel our passion for preserving history. See you guys.